Well, hello there, guys. What you doing?
We're out of beer! Yeah, why don't you go get us some? Go get us beer!
Yeah, seriously, go get us some beer.
Nerd!
Well, hello there. I didn't see you. Sometimes in the wild nature in the cabin, your friends ask you to get beer. Sometimes it may or may not be so nice and even threatening, but I'll do it anyways. Cause I sure as hell can find some nature beers. Come on, I'll show you where to get some. Woo! Woo! Oh wow, it's a beer tree. Sometimes in the wild nature, you gotta go to extensive lengths to find yourself some beer. Now I found this lovely beer tree here, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick some up. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's two. Oh, oh, elastic. Good little tree. All right. Whew, that's about to stop waiting. All right. It's good to get out in the brisk nature sometimes. Woo! Well, hello there, guys.
Hello!
I picked some bountiful nature beers for you guys.
For us. Oh, thank you.
Oh, Alaskan White! Oh, not Alaskan White!
Sometimes in the wild nature, when you're up in the altitude, sometimes your friends just don't act like themselves when they're not drinking. So I took the liberty to fetch them some nature beers. I definitely hope it fixes the situation.